Hello and welcome back to Mig Drawing Academy. Today we're gonna make Santa Claus Among Us letter. So let's get started. Let's go first with our Santa Claus Among Us. Go from the top, go down, do one leg, then the other one, going up, do the oval shape, then complete with the semicircular lines for the hat, and complete the gap. Now let's go with a Santa Claus suit. Trim the neck, and at the center do a square shape so you can make the belt and two lines in each side. Now trim the body in half so you can create a coat. And trim each leg with a double line to create the boots. Don't forget the backpack. And finish the hat, going from a point, going up and down, and add the poof ball. Now let's go with our Mini Crewmate. Let's start with the oval shape. Then the hat. Then the Christmas hat. Then complete body. Go to one leg, going up. The second leg, going up to the Christmas hat. Add the backpack. Trim the neck and the legs with just one line. Add 3 buttons. Now let's do the letter, but first let's do the thumb. Now let the letter going up to a point, going down to another point, and a third one, so you make the letter. Add some writing and the Among Us signature. And one finger at the back. Complete the hat, going up, down, the poof ball. Add some lines at the bottom of each leg. Now let's do the gift box. Start with the hand. 2 lines in each side so you can create the square shape of the box. Add the eyelash at the top and split each section with a double line. Now let's go with the Christmas tree behind. Make one line, a zigzag shape, and going up, and repeat the process. Add the star at the top and some decorations for the tree. And that's it, we're done! If you enjoyed the video, subscribe for new video lessons every Tuesday and Saturday. See you!